You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this commune. I think it's like a village in France, in the Loire Valley. It's actually near Le Mans, and it's famous for being the name of one of the curbs on the Le Mans track, racing track. The name is pronounced in French Mulsanne. There's a Bentley car named after it. Mulsanne. It's got this very specific U sound from French. Mulsanne. Mulsanne is how we say it in France now. In English it's normally pronounced Mulsanne because the U sound doesn't exist in English, so it's pronounced with an U. Mulsanne. Mulsanne. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.